Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PGNX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question is based around the fact that this has been a very nice move. I don't think anybody would sit here and argue that this hasn't been a good move, but that does bring up the question, all right, yeah, it's been a good move, but is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using a chart, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that level is down here at $5.25. Why is $5.25 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $5.25. Any sort of closes below $5.25, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. And if you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, you have stair steps going in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress in that upwards direction. Now, what about levels of resistance? So if this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? For this, pretty straightforward, I believe. I do want to scrunch up a chart here just to give myself a little bit more perspective. Initial area, I believe the price broke above today but couldn't quite maintain it. Yeah, right there at $6.20. So 620 is going to be that initial area of resistance. If the price can break above that one and continue to chug upwards, next key level up there at, oh, that makes it easy, 640. So 20 cents apart. Initial level, 640. Next level after that up there at $6.40. So 620, 640, and then down there at 525 is going to be that key level of support. And now that I scrunch up the chart, ideally speaking, okay, Clay, what would make the chart look the strongest? If the price can hold up above $5.70, that would make the chart look very, very powerful. But by no means am I calling this a must-hold level of support. The must-hold, again, is down there at 525. Any way you slice it, though, very nice past couple of days. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls continue to build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.